That's what I motherfucking showed. Watch. Look at all that shit. All that motherfucking. And I dumped it on this motherfucker. He gonna be tight when he wakes up the next morning. You done fucked up, nigga. Keep moving. Boy, look at all that shit. Look at all that shit. Alright, man. I'm about cars running, son. I'm like Wiz Khalifa, son. But I'm full of keys. But I turn to start, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. Shut up, mama. That's how